Happy New Year! And welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. Sorry I did a bit of a disappearing act, but I haven't been feeling very well. And I'm kind of at the tail end of it now, but you might be able to hear that I'm still not quite with it. And it's just taken me a long time to kind of put all this on and make myself feel a little bit better to go on camera. But I'm here. So today I'm going to show you a really different technique for a fridge magnet, which is a really cool idea. And I came up with it because it's one of the patterns on my storage boxes that I keep some of my cutters in. I thought, oh, I really love that. And I've been staring at it for years. And I thought today is the day that I'm going to try and copy that design. So before we continue, I would love it if you would subscribe. I don't normally ask because I feel awkward about it, but I would love it if you would do that. It shows support to my channel. And also you may have noticed that there is a join button. Now the join button makes you a member of my channel, and it means that you get some extra benefits. So if you want to support my channel, please click that join button. The other thing I wanted to ask is if you would pick one video and watch it all the way through. At the moment, if there are any ads on my videos, YouTube are getting the full funds of this and I don't get a single penny because I haven't hit that mark yet of 4,000 watch hours. Now a lot of you may not get that, but if you do watch one of my videos all the way through, it means that I get more views and therefore I would hit a certain mark to be able to be monetized. Now I am quite close to that, but I would love it if you would support my channel in doing that. So with all that said, and thank you very much for all those people that have subscribed recently, I really do appreciate it and I love the interaction. I think it's brilliant. People comment and I think it's such a great community and we can have fun in the comments about certain techniques and things like that, and it's something that we can all do and all learn from, including myself. So without further ado, and with all that said, I'm going to show you how to make a cool fridge magnet. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So can you let me know in the comments what you thought of that? Because I came up with that off the fly. Like I said at the start, I just wanted to do something completely different. And I saw this butterfly pattern on one of my boxes. I will show it to you right here so you can get a look. And I just thought, what a cool idea. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now because I had so much fun with this. So here we go. Now this fridge magnet is huge. I mean, this is sort of, I don't measure stuff, just so you know. This is palm size. So I kind of go by a visual rather than a measurement because it makes it a lot easier, and then I haven't got to look for stuff to show you while I'm doing this. But I absolutely love the way this turned out. So I did it on a white background, and then I used black clay, as you saw from the tutorial, and then I coloured the outside in a very, very light green. But what that has actually done is made it look like I've put the full butterfly in the white with the outline on the green. So it's kind of like a bit of an illusion here, and I think that is actually really cool. So I'm just going to go across with me out of shot so you can get a good look of how it all is, and kind of like the design of it as well. I just absolutely love doing this. It was one of these things that I just thought, oh, can I do that? Can I not? I'm not really sure, but I gave it a go anyway. And as I said at the start, I weren't feeling too grand, so I just thought, well, I'll give it a go. And then it took me absolutely forever to get on camera and be well enough to kind of film it. So I've been staring at this for ages, and I really, really want to get this sent off because it is actually for a present. So I'm going to turn it around now because it's quite important. I'll show you this bit. Now it has got 2 magnets on it, but it's also got a couple of stabilizers. And what I mean by stabilizers is it has these 2 parts here that would balance out the magnets. Now what you can actually do is put more magnets on there, but of course having a whole bunch of magnets on the back there is great, but if you don't have that many spare, you could just put the stabilizers on and that will work absolutely perfectly. So if you put it on your fridge magnet and then push it in the wrong place, it's not going to topple and then fall off. So yeah, I made all of the design and everything just by tiny little logs of polymer clay, and then carefully putting them into sort of curly designs. Now I wanted some sort of symmetry, but with polymer clay and anything like this, you sometimes you just don't get the symmetry that you want. But I don't think I did a bad job. I mean, it's not perfect, but this is one of the most favourite things I've done in a really long time. And I just I like the simplicity of it and the fact that you can do it with no polymer clay skills whatsoever. And the other thing that I thought of is it actually looks a bit like wire, because I put the gold on it once I'd finished, you know, with the black. I didn't cover it fully, so I wanted some of the black to shine through, but it looks like wire, which I thought was actually quite a cool idea. And what you could actually do, instead of the white background, you could have a translucent background, and then you could put like a hole in the top and hang it in your window. So you could do that as well. But I've made this as a fridge magnet because I just like the idea, and I love really big fridge magnets. I can't make little ones. I have tried, but they always end up absolutely massive, and I just love the way this one looks. So I'm just going to show you again close up, just so you can see how it looks. And I like the design. I added the little top bit here. My original design didn't have this part here at the top, and I wanted to add a little bit more decoration. And also underneath here, that wasn't on the original design either, but I wanted to just add something else. So here we go. This is how you make a butterfly magnet with polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. It was one of those things that I just sort of oopsie, may have noticed. Let's just talk about this background for a minute. You may have noticed that it's dark. Yeah, so my lampshade that I made probably about 2 years ago died. It kind of just all crumbled at the top. And this isn't bad design skills, I want to make that quite clear, because it's done well for a lampshade that gets quite hot and it's on all of the time. However, it's gone, and therefore my background is now quite dark. So I've got my little twinkly lights on still, but I need to make another lampshade. So look out for a lampshade in the future, because, you know, I've got to make one at some point, because otherwise that's going to stay dark right there. And you can't see my clock. And I'm going to make some more clocks in the future as well, because I've bought some parts over Christmas, so I'm going to make some clocks and a whole bunch of other stuff that you probably don't care about, but I don't know, I'm just going to do it anyway. So, Happy New Year, I think I've already said that, and my voice is dying, so I've got to go. See you later, bye!